Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to archive and unarchive on monday.com. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to monday.com and you'll be greeted by a screen looking like this. Now, after you did that, you just need to go and log into your profile, or guys, you need to go and register if you already do not have a profile. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see here, we have the home screen and my work, and you have everything about your profile in the top right corner of the screen. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and archive and unarchive on monday.com. So the first thing that you need to do is of course to archive on board. Click on the board menu, so you have your new board or boards. Click on whichever board of course you want, and then when you click on board, you need to go and click archive board. And so once archiving, the board will remain in the archived section. So basically it will be in the archived sections when you archive it. But guys, you can go and click on the top right corner. As you can see here, you have the archive. Click on there, and here you'll have everything that you archived. So now you just need to go and click on archive on the item that you or board that you just archived. So guys, that'll be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Bye guys.